Hi folks, welcome to Tao Outdoors. Today we decided to go do some wiper and catfish using mussels and using cut bait. Um, so hopefully we can catch some today. It's been a while since we went baiting. So we're up here in Lon Hagler, Colorado, up in Loveland. And the lake is pretty full. You see the water is very high now. And it's still letting water out. There's a few people out here, but it's a decent lake. This lake has a variety of fish, from white bass, crappie, walleye, perch, catfish, hybrids. Some big hybrids been caught out of here, but hopefully we could get a few today. It's pretty cloudy, so we're just baiting, just sit and wait. I just had a bite but missed it, so hopefully we can get something for you guys today. It's pretty nice out. So I'm using 10-pound braided spider wire, using my Finwick and Lew's speedster. So it's a medium heavy rod. You see, you got the mountain scene over here. So for those who've never been to Colorado, this is what we get to enjoy. Very scenic.